Alright, I'm back out here at Tunica Hills Wildlife Management Area, just north of St Francisville. And I've already done the two other loop trails in this little system here, C and A. I'm doing Trail B, which also includes a nature trail. It's a beautiful day, perfect weather. It's in the 50s. We just had a couple of days of really hard freezes. Get a good view of the bayou. Shortly after you drop down into the bayou, right back here, you're going to come to B5, and we're going to make our uphill climb back up there. So you don't stay low very long, and then you get back up on these ridges. So run around, it's either B8 or B9. You're gonna make a junction with an ATV trail. You're gonna take a left. You're gonna follow that, not long. You're gonna see B10. You're gonna take another left. Looks like an old, old forest road. Okay, so we've made the loop. We are now back down at Bayou Como. Further south from where we started this little loop at B5. Yes, back here at B5 where we started the loop. So now we just got a straight shot. I've got a straight shot back up the hill. You're not doing anything, you're just watching this video. But probably got, I think that's just a mile, that first section. Going back the way we came. Yeah, can't say it enough. This is a great area for hiking. Definitely the most challenge you're going to get around Baton Rouge with the up and down. Definitely recommend it. I'm rating all of these trails, these 3 trails, as hard just because of the propensity to lose the trail sometimes. They're not well marked in some areas, and there are some pretty steep climbs and drops to make. Yeah, kids could probably do it. You know, if you've got any kind of knee trouble or back trouble, I would probably avoid this trail. But if you're in fairly good shape, kind of know how to navigate on these trails, pick up a map. There's one at the trailhead. Highly recommend it. If you have a GPS on your phone, that's even better, because it does get a little tricky. You know, it's not real difficult on this trail, but there are some spots where it's questionable where you need to go.